What's up people, and as we know, the Samsung is preparing to launch the Galaxy S21. We have already seen the great performance of Samsung Galaxy S20 series, which consists S20, S20 Plus and S20 Ultra. After the success of S20 series, they are now preparing to release the S21. The rumors are already spreading from different sources, but all of them are just a random guesses. Some people are guessing the name of S21 as S30, but logically it won't happen. Yes, the Samsung named the S20 to match the year 2020, but they won't make the huge jump again and name the S30, so it must be S21. So in this video, we will be talking about the rumors from legit sources and give you a hint that how S21 gonna look like. So without wasting time, let's hop into the video. First of all, let's talk about the mind-blowing under-screen cameras. Samsung Display is now working on developing and manufacturing under-screen camera panels. The first under-screen camera from Samsung Display is rumored to be debuting abroad the Galaxy Note 20 later on this year, but more conservative projection claims it will be shaped for the release of the Galaxy S21 in 2021. The point of a USC camera is that it neglects the need for a notch or punch hole on the front of the device. The front-facing cameras, when not in use, is hidden away under the display. This is done via a mechanism that is activated as soon as the phone detects the camera is no longer needed. The hint of under-screen camera in S21 is given by none other than the leakster Ice Universe. Now, while the under-screen camera is not yet confirmed, with Samsung's R&D arm currently evaluating the feasibility of the technology, the timing does line up with the other leaks and whispers we have been hearing in the smartphone rumor mill. The Xiaomi published a short video showing a sneak peek at the future back in June 2019, and then Oppo unveiled its under-screen camera at Mobile World Congress 2019 Shanghai. Talk of under-screen camera technology being under development by multiple Android phone makers has not ceased with coming soon message, and now it seems that Samsung intends to be one of the first to release a phone with under-screen camera. If it does, then it will be the game changer and a great way to beat back its rivals. Everyone were calling out for under-screen camera to make an appearance to replace the notches, pinholes and pop-ups. The ideal way to deliver a gorgeous full-screen phone is the under-screen camera. It feels like 2021 could be the year where under-screen camera hits the mainstream market, and if this fresh leak is true, then it looks like Samsung will be leading the charge. It is also rumored that the Samsung is going to shake hand with Google, so we can also expect some unique features. Now let's talk about the cameras. Since Samsung went for a big camera of 108 megapixel in S20 Ultra, we can expect more from S21. We heard the Galaxy S21 will work on a brand new 150 megapixel Nona cell camera. Oppo, Xiaomi, OnePlus and Huawei are all said to be leveraging new 150 megapixel in 2021 as well. In addition to this, Xiaomi could actually beat Samsung to market with this new tech as well, as it is rumored to be releasing a phone that will use it inside Q4 2020. Since the sensor is said to rely on Nona cell technology, it should combine 9 pixels into 1 to achieve higher light absorption, and because the sensor is said to have 150 megapixel, the final shot should technically have a pixel count of around 16 megapixel as opposed to the ISOCELL Bright HMI sensor which delivers 12 megapixel shots. There is also chances that the S21 Snapdragon 875 chipset. The Snapdragon 865 is 2020 CPU of choice for high performance Android flagships. In 2021 or at late 2020, Qualcomm will update to this platform called the Snapdragon 875. Like the 865, it will support 5G and support for advanced gaming and graphics, but there should be some big updates to its image signal processor too in order to handle 150 megapixel cameras. So that's all we know about the S21. Hope the rumors comes true. We will be informing you more about the S21 in upcoming days, so make sure you subscribe to our channel and stay connected.